Vortex goes back to 2005. Three of the founders were working for manufacturers and developers in the wind energy industry. And we were very aware of some needs of data that time, that data that didn't exist. At Vortex we work more than 30 people, more than a half holding a PhD in physics or mathematics. We serve customers in more than 100 countries. We have been growing in our turnover at a ratio of about 10% the last 15 years. As I said, in wind industry, there is a need of measurement of wind data measured. But before this data is measured, the companies can take decisions, important decisions, with estimations of this wind. To develop a wind farm, you need wind data measurements. And these are very expensive and these are very costly in terms of time. So our estimations of the wind that are computer generated speed this process up very much. Our data is the synthetic data that is not measured, and it's delivered in different formats. Basically in areas, maps, wind maps, simplifying, and time series. In this kind of products cover all the phases of development of our customers. So when the wind farm is operating, the TCO, the operator of the system, needs a forecast for the next hours and days, and the energy that is going to be produced to stabilize the grid. This is one of our companies that is devoted to the short-term forecast. Then, for the next months, you may need an estimation of what's the energy compared to the historical that is going to be produced. We have another second spin-off that provides seasonal forecasting. And finally, as it is clear that the temperature next 20 years will not be the same as the last 20 years, with the wind it happens the same. So we have a third spin-off that is providing risk assessment.
What we basically offer is wind data, which is fully automatized. So that means that our customers are wind engineers. So it's just people working at any time, any place in the world. So that means that we need to guarantee that our service is at 24/7, so that any connectivity or electricity issue that might affect the computers does not exist, essentially, because they might need data at any time. So we need to make sure that everything works perfectly. Connectivity, the platform, the website services, and the computers can work automatically and start any calculation. So Adam has been very relevant for us in this sense.
Vortex products are offered through a SaaS platform that interacts automatically with our customers. Our products now are very recognized for its accuracy. Accuracy means that if you test our products in a place where you have measurements, the coincidence between measurements and estimations is very high.
When we were starting our meteorological calculations for wind data, and we started with the computers in our office, so that was indeed just a temporary, let's say, situation, because it was not indeed possible because of electricity and refrigeration. And that's when we started. So 2009 we started searching for an IT partner where to locate and let's say host our computers. I recall exploring, I think, 4 companies by that time in Barcelona, all of them. We were searching for services where we could, let's say, interact physically, because by that time the cloud services were not an option for us, and we had a very clear scope of using our own computers. The location in the Adam facilities in Barcelona, and also the commercial proposal and the technical solution that they offered to us was by that time what better fit our needs. We are still monitoring and owning our own computers. So what we use from Adam is the space, the electricity, and the connectivity. We are currently using 12 full racks, and we are also very satisfied with the fact that we use what we call geo-replication, because we use computers in 2 of the Adam locations. We feel satisfied with the fact that in the end we are more secure, because we have, let's say, a physical distributed systems. All the 15 years that we've been working with Adam services, there has been a very fluid interaction with the technical, or let's say, support team from Adam. As I mentioned, we monitor our own computers, but still Adam does, let's say, what we call, I would call a double supervision prior to any incidences or situations that might occur, because our fault sometimes it's ourselves, let's say, using the electricity not in a correct or optimal way, and Adam has always been very proactive in communicating issues that might happen if we are not controlling correctly the services.